Welcome to this introduction to Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, commonly known as DAOs. These innovative structures represent a fundamental shift in how organizations can be structured and governed using blockchain technology. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore what DAOs are, how they function, and why they're becoming increasingly important in the digital economy. A DAO is an organization that's governed by code and smart contracts on a blockchain, where decisions are made collectively by token holders without any centralized leadership. Unlike traditional companies, with chief executive officers or boards of directors making top-down decisions, DAOs operate through democratic voting processes. Every rule, transaction, and decision is recorded transparently on the blockchain, making the entire organization visible and accountable to all its members. DAOs are built on three fundamental principles. First, they are decentralized, meaning no single person or entity controls the organization. Second, they are autonomous, operating through self-executing smart contracts that automatically enforce rules without human intervention. Third, they are community-governed, where every token holder can participate in proposing changes and voting on decisions that shape the organization's future. These three pillars work together to create a truly democratic and transparent organizational structure. The operational process of a DAO follows four key steps. First, smart contracts define the rules of the organization and automatically execute decisions when conditions are met. Second, token holders can submit proposals for changes or new initiatives they want the DAO to pursue. Third, the community votes on these proposals, and if they receive enough support, they're approved for implementation. Finally, all approved proposals are executed automatically on the blockchain, and every action is recorded transparently for anyone to verify. This creates a trustless system where the code, not people, enforces the rules. Governance tokens are the backbone of DAO decision-making. These tokens represent voting rights in the organization, giving holders the power to influence its direction. The more tokens someone holds, the more voting weight they typically have in proposals. This creates a proportional influence system where members with larger stakes have correspondingly larger say in decisions. Governance tokens can often be bought, earned through contributions, or awarded to early participants, allowing various paths for members to gain influence in the DAO. DAOs come in various forms, each serving different purposes. Protocol DAOs govern decentralized finance protocols and blockchain networks, managing their rules and upgrades. Investment DAOs pool funds from members to make collective investment decisions, allowing communities to invest together in projects or assets. Grant DAOs are focused on funding projects and public goods within their ecosystems, supporting development and innovation. Finally, social DAOs function as community-driven clubs and organizations, bringing people together around shared interests or goals. Each type leverages the core DAO structure, but applies it to different use cases. DAOs offer several compelling advantages. They provide transparent decision-making and fund allocation, where every member can see exactly how resources are being used and why decisions were made. They enable global participation without barriers, allowing anyone from anywhere in the world to join and contribute regardless of geography or traditional barriers. DAOs reduce reliance on central authorities, eliminating single points of failure and potential corruption. Additionally, automated execution through smart contracts means decisions are implemented efficiently without delays or human error, making the organization more responsive and reliable. Despite their advantages, DAOs face several significant challenges. Legal and regulatory uncertainty remains a major issue, as governments worldwide are still determining how to classify and regulate these organizations. Slow decision-making can occur with large communities, as getting consensus from thousands of members takes time. Smart contract vulnerabilities and bugs pose security risks, since any flaw in the code can be exploited, potentially leading to loss of funds. Finally, low voter participation and engagement is common, as many token holders don't actively participate in governance, which can lead to decisions being made by a small minority. Several DAOs have become prominent in the blockchain ecosystem. MakerDAO governs the DAI stablecoin protocol, one of the most successful decentralized finance projects, where token holders vote on collateral requirements and stability fees. Uniswap operates as a decentralized exchange with community governance, giving UNI token holders control over protocol changes and treasury allocation. Aragon provides a platform for creating and managing DAOs, offering tools and infrastructure that make it easier for communities to launch their own decentralized organizations. These examples demonstrate how DAOs are being successfully implemented across different use cases. DAOs represent a paradigm shift in how communities can coordinate, make decisions, and manage resources through transparent, decentralized governance powered by blockchain technology. As the technology matures and regulatory frameworks develop, DAOs have the potential to transform not just how businesses operate, but how any group of people can organize around shared goals. From managing billions of dollars in decentralized finance to coordinating global communities, DAOs are pioneering new models of human cooperation and organization for the digital age.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.